Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack, which has claimed the 10 people's lives. Now, the Odisha Chief Minister, who also visited the hospital, he's ordered now a judicial investigation and a compensation that has also been announced to the families of the victims, assuring the best treatment also for those who have been injured. Top leaders there, including the president, who have also expressed their condolences and grief to the people who have lost their lives. However, when it comes to the cause of the fire, that is yet to be ascertained. But this massive blaze that has been reported at the government-run state hospital, what has now been said, that there has been 10 casualties, mainly patients there who were at the critical care of the ICU at the SCB College in Odisha, in Cuttack, where this tragedy has been reported.
इस अग्निकांड में ट्रॉमा आईसीयू एंड उसके साथ लगा हुआ आईसीयू और जो वार्ड है, जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर है, जो पेशेंट उनका इलाज चल रहा था, 23 लोगों का इसी फर्स्ट फ्लोर में वो थे। जो अग्निकांड हुआ इसी टाइम में, उसमें से 7 लोगों का अग्निकांड के वजह से उनका मौत हुआ और उनको शिफ्ट किया गया और शिफ्ट करने के बाद और 3 लोगों का भी मौत हुआ।
A major fire incident at SCB Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack, Odisha has triggered shock and grief across the state after at least 10 patients reportedly lost their lives early this morning. According to preliminary information shared by Police Commissioner, the fire broke out late at night when most patients and their relatives were asleep. The exact cause of the fire is yet to be determined. Officials say it could have been triggered by a short circuit or other technical failure, but a detailed investigation will confirm the actual reason. Following the incident, Mohan Chand Majhi, the Chief Minister of Odisha, visited the hospital to review the situation personally. He also announced their finance assistance of 25 lakh for each victim family. In addition, a high-level judicial inquiry has been ordered to investigate the incident.
So the exact cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained. As it is being investigated, a judicial probe has been ordered. The Prime Minister's office has also expressed condolences over this tragedy there. The accident occurred at the hospital in Cuttack in Odisha is heart-wrenching. And he says that my condolences to those who have lost their loved ones and pray for the swift recovery of the injured. A compensation of 2 lakh rupees from the Prime Minister's relief fund will be provided to immediate relatives of the deceased, and 50,000 rupees will be given to the injured. Well, that is the statement coming in from the Prime Minister's office there. Compensation that has also been announced on part of the Chief Minister of 25 lakhs to the families of the victims, and also assuring that the best treatment would be given by the state government to those who have been injured. Now, as far as those who have been injured also are the people who work at the hospital, and this fire related to whatever possible reasons that is now been said, mainly the people who lost their lives are said to be patients who were receiving treatment at the ICU. President Draupadi Murmu has also expressed her grief through this message, saying that deeply distressed by the loss of lives in this tragic fire at a hospital in Cuttack in Odisha. My heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. I wish the speedy recovery to those who have been injured. Now, Chief Minister Majhi was also there at the hospital at the site where the people who had been receiving treatment. But for now, let's get in a word from Satish, who's joining us live right now. Satish, मौके पे हमने देखा कि मुख्यमंत्री खुद वहां पर पहुंचे हुए थे, लेकिन अभी तक क्या वजह पता चल पाई है आग लगने की?
देखिए, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है, शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से ये आग लगी है। एसी की शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से जो ट्रॉमा आईसीयू है, ट्रॉमा आईसीयू के साथ 2 वार्ड में अचानक रात 3 बजे आग लग गई, जब पेशेंट 23 पेशेंट वहां पे एडमिट थे और उनके साथ बहुत सारे रिलेटिव उनकी थे आईसीयू में। अचानक शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से आग लगी। आग लगने से तुरंत वहां पर अफरा तफरी मच गई। तुरंत जो लोकल पुलिस से एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर और फायर टीम तुरंत मौके पर पहुंचे और रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन शुरू कर दिए। उसके बाद खबर मिलने के बाद तुरंत पारादीप से जो सीएम मोहन चंद मांझी थे और जायजा लिए। उन्होंने बताया कि ये शॉर्ट सर्किट की वजह से हुआ है और 10 लोगों की मौत हुआ है। उनमें 25 लाख रुपए की राशि घोषणा की गई उनकी परिवार वालों के लिए, और एक उच्च स्तरीय बैठक भी उन्होंने की है अंदर एससीबी मेडिकल की जो कर्तृपक्ष उनकी जो ऑफिसर्स है उनके साथ, और जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर मुकेश मालिंग और जो हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी है उनके साथ एक बैठक हुई और एक टीम भी गठित किया है जो उसके जांच कर रही है, और साइंटिफिक टीम भी।
Right. So short circuit is said to be the apparent reason, the cause of the fire that has now been reported, as Satish has been getting us those live report, as the Chief Minister also visited the hospital site where 10 people unfortunately have lost their lives in this tragedy. We're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.